Hello, how are you children? I hope everybody fine at your home. Chapter 6 Around the World Civilizations. Early man lived in forest and moved from place to place. Slowly he learned to live in groups. These groups had their own laws, grew crops and often traded with the other groups. With time, the population increased, living areas expanded, and people began to live in a civilized manner. Thus, different civilizations came into existence in different parts of the world. You already studied in history. Clues given: read and description and identify the civilizations. Take help from the given clues. First, Mesopotamia, the region between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers, was the area of the civilization. One of the world's first two civilizations, the other being the Egyptian civilization, Mesopotamian civilization. Second, it was one of the greatest civilizations of America. The people of that time, around 1300 BC, lived in swampy lowlands of the Gulf of Mexico. They worshipped a jaguar god, hence, they were also known as the people of Jaguar. Olmec civilization. This ancient civilization in northeastern Africa flourished along the lower reaches of the river Nile in modern day Egypt. It is one of 6 global civilizations which arose independently. Egyptian civilization. 4. The greatest achievement of this civilization was their cuneiform system of writing. Cuneiform means wedge-shaped. In ancient times, people used stylus or sharpened reeds to write on tablets of raw clay. Since this caused the lines to look like wedges, it is called cuneiform writing. Sumerian civilization. 5th, this civilization had the knowledge of urban planning and efficient municipal governments. The streets of major cities such as Mohenjo-daro were laid out in perfect grid patterns. The houses were constructed in such a way that they were protected from noise, odors and thieves. Which one? Indus Valley civilization. The Yellow Rivers is said to be the cradle of the civilization, although cultures originated at different regional centers along both the Yellow and Yangtze rivers millennia ago in the Neolithic era. Which one? Chinese civilization. Okay, children. Chapter 6 continuing International Organizations. International organizations are of two types: intergovernmental organizations and non-governmental international organizations. The former involve world government efforts, while the latter depends upon individual and community donations. Both of them work for the greater cause of human development and relief. Read the description and write the name of the organization. Take help from the given clues. Sign given. This organization came into existence in 1949. It is designed to promote the stability of the North Atlantic area and to safeguard the freedom of its peoples based on the principles of democracy, individual liberty and the rule of law. North Atlantic Treaty Organization, NATO. Second, it is a regional intergovernmental organization comprising 10 member states It was established by Indonesia, Malaysia, the Philippines, Singapore and Thailand on August 8, 1967. The Association of Southeast Asian Nations, Asian, ASEAN. Third one, it is a regional security organization that works on early warning, conflict prevention, crisis management and post-conflict rehabilitation in the European and Eurasian region. The Organization for Security and Cooperation in Europe, OSCE. Fourth one, this agreement came into force on 1st January 1948. It is a treaty setting rules for world trade. It is now under the umbrella of the World Trade Organization, WTO, World Trade Organization. General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade, GATT, is popularly known as the Common Market. It was established on 1st January 1958 by a group of 12 West European nations. They seek to pool their economies while retaining their national identities. European Economic Community, EEC. It was originally known as the British Commonwealth of Nations. Today it consists of 53 nations and almost all the Britain's former colonies and dependencies. It brings together developed and developing countries across the world. The Commonwealth. Study well.